I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Bell to Freedom, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Gather your information. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Contact Freedom Mobile. Reach out to Freedom Mobile either through their website or by visiting a store. Inform them that you want to port your number from Bell. They will guide you through the specific process. Step 3. Provide required details. Fill out the necessary forms with your personal information and the details you gathered from Bell. Make sure everything matches exactly, as discrepancies can delay the porting process. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, you'll receive a confirmation from Freedom Mobile. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. Keep an eye on your email or phone for updates. Step 5. Test your new service. Once you receive confirmation that your number has been ported, test your new service by making a call or sending a text. If you run into issues, try restarting your phone or checking the network settings. Switching carriers can feel overwhelming, but following these steps should help you transition smoothly. Good luck with your new service.